Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. So today I have this 11-inch by 14-inch wooden panel which I bought from $1.25 store, and let's see how it goes. So I did not realize when I bought it, I think there's a tiny little bump here. So I'll have to work with what I have right now. Let's see how it goes. It might be a tiny bit problem, but I will try to make sure that it doesn't hinder my composition as I go. The house paint that I am using today is Hidden Essential. So that's what I have. Okay, I think I need a little bit more. I'm going to start with, so I'm going to do a bloom first, then from there we'll go. I'll start with Nicolaho Gold, of course one of my most favorite color, all-time favorite. Then on top of that, I will use TLP's Sequins. Some gold. Golden's Quintagron Burnt Orange. Green Gold, again from Golden. See, my table is not labeled, that's why I get all this weird stuff going on, but I don't know how to make it label because I always see my things go in one direction. So I'm going to hold it a teensy bit. That was the Access in Purple. This is TLP's Groovy and Ganache mixed together. Golden's Blue Violet. I have today white titanium white cell activator from Amsterdam using Australian Floetrol, and here we go. Okay, the colors that are dripping on the side, I'm going to pick it up and cover up the corners. so when I spread my color it doesn't roll. That's the intention. Besides, who wants to waste more paint than it's necessary? Absolutely necessary. We always try to save paints as much as we can. Okay, so let's see what we have. This is beautiful, don't you think so? I love this area. I'm not sure about that, so let's see. I'm just looking at it. I am trying to figure out what to do. Some portions I love, some portions I really don't like. So let me share what I'm thinking. Okay, so here's the thing. I love this area, like beautiful. I love this area. I love this area. However, here, I don't like it. So I'm thinking, how can I cover it up? How about totally random? Let me see what colors do I have mixed already. So I'm thinking I'm going to create some small flowers and cover up part of that area that I'm not very fond of, and we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully it'll look better. I just added some green color, and I'm going to just smush it here to see how it turns out. I don't know how it's going to look, but I'm going to do that anyway to create the leaf effect. Did it work? I don't know. You guys will decide. Anyway, so let's go. Thank you. Because of the lighting, the dark flowers don't look very pretty. They kind of look dark. But in reality, it looks really beautiful. Because of the lighting, I'm not happy how it looks like in the camera. Once it dries, I will show you the dried result. And so far, I'm really happy with the composition and the colors that I have. I hope I don't get any cracks. I hope I will not. So we'll see. So thank you so much for joining me today. So until next time, bye.